Hibiscus tea isn't just a gorgeous deep red drink, it's a real game changer for your health and weight loss journey. If you're looking for a natural energy boost, especially on chilly winter days, this caffeine-free tea is the perfect pick-me-up. One thing that makes hibiscus tea so special? It's packed with iron. A big help for anyone struggling with iron deficiency or anemia, which can seriously slow down weight loss. I love that it also brings a punch of vitamin C, which helps burn fat and gives your immune system a much-needed lift. The stronger your body, the easier it is to shed those extra pounds. But it doesn't stop there. Hibiscus tea is like your secret weapon against sugar cravings. It helps balance blood sugar and keeps those snack attacks in check. Plus, it's a gentle diuretic, which means it helps your body flush out excess water and reduce bloating. That's a win for anyone trying to slim down. There's more. Hibiscus tea helps renew your cells, slows down aging, supports digestion, and even works to lower blood pressure and protect against certain chronic diseases. Making it is a breeze. Just steep a teaspoon of dried hibiscus in a cup of hot water for 5 minutes. Add cinnamon, lemon, or orange peel if you want to jazz it up. I usually sip it twice a day, morning and evening, for steady benefits. Remember though, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication, check with your doctor first. So, why not give hibiscus tea a try? Your body and your taste buds will thank you.